Our dogs are very much part of our families, and sometimes it's easy to forget how different from us they really are. So let's have a look at some of the special senses that our dogs have and explore how they really see the world.
One of the things that we all know about our dogs is that they have an amazing sense of smell. Even though a dog's brain is only about 1/10 the size of a human's brain, the part that controls the smell is around 40 times larger than in humans. A human has about 5 million scent glands, whereas dogs have up to 300 million, depending on their breed. And so a dog's sense of smell is much, much more sensitive than a human's. Sniffing is an essential part of the dog greeting ritual, and our dogs' wet noses are also important in ensuring that they capture all of the scent information that they can. Whilst a wet nose is not always a sign of good health, or a dry nose always a sign of illness, as we used to think, it is true that a wet nose is quite normal for our dogs, and having a wet, sticky nose enables our dogs to capture many more scent particles from the air. Some breeds of dog are also designed to be better sniffers. Dogs like bloodhounds have long noses that allow them to capture more scent particles inside their nasal cavity, and droopy skin folds and ears that also capture and concentrate scent around their faces. Regardless of the breed, all dogs have structures within their nasal cavity called turbinates. These bony scrolls of tissue contain many scent or olfactory receptors and capture the air as the dog breathes in, processing smells in a way in which humans are unable to do. But it's not just our dog's sense of smell that makes them unique. They also have incredible hearing. Dogs can hear sound in frequencies from 40 Hz to 60 kHz, which is much higher than the 12 to 20 Hz humans can manage. This is why dogs are able to respond to silent dog whistles. The whistles aren't really silent, but the noise that they produce is outside the range of human hearing. Dogs also use their remarkable ears, controlled by 18 different muscles, to pinpoint the exact location of a sound. When it comes to vision, our dogs have much better night vision than us, but aren't able to see colour quite so well, as their eyes are designed for hunting and scavenging at twilight, and so mostly pick up blues and greens. Dogs can recognise their owners from several hundred metres away, but they may struggle to see you if you're standing still. If you want to attract your dog's attention, give her a wave and you'll easily catch her eye. Dogs also have a much wider field of vision than humans. Again, this helps them with finding food and means it's difficult to sneak up on them, something that is very useful in their role as guard dogs.
It's these amazing anatomical differences that allow our dogs to see the world in such a different way to us, but also allow them to provide for us in many different ways. For example, our dogs fulfil roles in society as bomb-sniffing dogs or drug-sniffing dogs, and they even serve us as medical detection dogs, able to sniff out cancer or detect when an epileptic fit may be about to occur. The more we understand about the amazing senses our dogs have and how they see the world, the more we understand how they can help to serve us in human society. But what about our pets at home? Understanding how they perceive the world is also really important. Think about the amazing senses that your pet at home has and how your dog spends his or her day. What could you do to engage your dog's senses and use those unique abilities in a more challenging and interesting way to improve the welfare of your pet?